So that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, وَإِذْ يَرْفَعْ إِبْرَاهِيمُ الْقَوَاعِدَ مِنَ الْبَيْتِ. And remember when Abraham raised the foundations of the house. وَإِسْمَعِيلُ, with Ishmael. One of the many meanings here is that the importance of the older generation engaging the younger generation. And that if Ibrahim alayhi salam worked with Isma'il to build the Kaaba al-Musharrafah, that this is something that we need to do. We need to that remove the gap between the generations. And yes, the elders need to be respected, but the elders also need to think about succession planning. They need to think about nurturing those who are younger in order to that help them be ready to then take the work further when the elders are unable to that work any longer.